For all ages, you'll decide if this product is right for you. It is a hearing aid, Bluetooth, over the counter. We're going to open up the box, show you what you get inside. It is nicely packaged and introduced by JIUYEE Hearing Aid. We're opening up the box to show you how well presented the Bluetooth hearing aids are. You have for each of the headsets different types of pieces. Your Bluetooth case to charge your hearing aids and hold. They are fast charging. They're green with a mirror-like finish. They are very tiny, and there is a plastic film that you need to pull off in order to charge your unit for the first time. Underneath the JIUYEE plugs will be your cable. It is a USB-A to USB-C charging cable. In the kit are 2 more additional air pieces and a cleaning brush to clean off the unit by simply brushing the debris. Underneath the casing will be information, your manual. We have a quick guide, a smartphone application for your Bluetooth hearing aids. Grab your phone, take a picture of the QR, and download your application. The JIUYEE app is very simple to download. Open up the application and follow what it's asking you to do. Once you figure out how to log in, it's going to ask you to go to Bluetooth, follow the steps, and we're all connected just like that. Very simple to do. So the hearing aid is all set up. The left is 100%, the right's 100%. We have the hearing aid fine-tuning and get my report and so forth. So let's go to the hearing aid fine-tuning. I have an environmental switch. If it's noisy, quiet, or auto, the SPI mode to raise and lower the volume of the left and right separately, and the adjustments for howling suppression, noise elimination, own voice suppression, speech enhancement, and hearing testing. Let's go into the auto. You need to first take the headset out of the case, put it into your ear, and they go in very easy. They tell you it's connected, and you hear the actual sound of you talking into the headset. And there may be a little feedback, a little high pitch if you talk too loud. So we're going to lower down by hitting the lower button. It gives a beep. And you hit the negative to lower, and it tells you the minimum volume. Now, every time I hit something, my own voice suppression, I could have it 1 level. I could hit it again. If the 1 level's not to my liking, I could go to the 2nd level and the 2nd level and so forth. If I don't want SPI mode, I simply just hit the check mark, and the check mark is off, and it talks to me what I'm doing. Let's do a hearing test. Follow the way it's telling me. Select a quiet place. Put on the audio phones correctly. And hit enter. When you hit the submit of the green, it goes to the next one, and then you hit the submit, and then you hit the enter. It has to be highlighted. So let's do the right ear.
Listen to to the sound. Click heard if you hear.
I heard. Now, if I don't hear it, there I go. I just heard it. And you could do this test to the other ear until you get the level of report. Now, once you all set up the hearing aid and you simply want to charge a unit, you take the USB-C, you plug it in, put this into the USB-A slot. You could charge it via a power bank or your own personal brick, which is not included. And you have a blinking light for charging. If you want to change the earpieces, you simply just grab them. To take them off, you simply slide away, pull. To put the new ones on, you simply fold them back, slip on, give a little push. If there's any dirt, you simply clean. If you carefully look at each of the earbuds, they say which channel they go into, left and right. And in the unit, you just simply place them in, and they will charge up when the magnets hit correctly. There's a light of charging. Close the case. There is an on and off or reset button over here. An optional air wax guard. You simply pull the pieces out and you put in the piece to clean out the wax. If you're listening to music, you simply take the earpieces, place them into the ear, go to your phone, and play music. If you have a call, you tap the unit on the side, and it will answer your call, and tap it again, and it will disconnect your call. If your earpieces simply get lost and they fall out of your ear, after 20 minutes, they'll give an audible sound, a high-pitched beep, so you could go find them. I wish I could show you some more about the hearing aid Bluetooth system and how they work and hear exactly what I hear. But that is up to you to decide if this product may be right for you. I hope you enjoyed this review of the JIUYEE Bluetooth hearing aids. Check online for further details about your product and when they become available. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.